Hi everyone, my name is Sebastianova Yulia. I am lash trainer in ProGlance Academy. And today we're going to talk about the starter kit of lash extension artists and how to complete it fast and without loss. This video will be helpful for beginners and those who only think of becoming a lash maker. Let's talk about 3 stages that will help you to make your choice regarding materials. So the third stage is isolation of upper lashes from lower. Stage 2 is preparing of natural lashes to procedure. Stage 3 is an actual eyelash extension. As an extra, we are going to observe products for extended lashes removing. For the isolation, which is the first stage, we should use special hydrogel eye pads. They can have different shape and usually sold in vacuum packages. I suggest to use this form because it's used almost everyone. Preferable to storage hydrogel pads after opening in a fridge. Otherwise, they can dry out and become useless. My lashes fell out after 2 weeks, and I even learned to sleep on my back. I'm very sensitive and love to cry from time to time, so I refused from mascara in turn for extensions. But lately, they fall out more often than I cry. So what? I got extended eyelashes before my vacation. They all fell out in 2 days. Damn it! To prevent such situations and let extended lashes to be worn as long as possible, you must prepare eyelashes for procedure very carefully. Good bonding can be guaranteed by cleansing of natural lashes. For cleansing, we will need such materials as cleanser. You can easily cleanse natural eyelashes with it without extra drying. The second instrument is micro brush that we use for cleanser application. You can use primer as an additional product. It opens hair scales and due to it improves the bonding of natural and extended eyelash. It also prolongs the retention. Primers and cleansers can be with different flavors. My favorite one scent is strawberry. As a result of second stage, we added such products as cleanser, primer and micro brush. So we came up to the final and the main stage, eyelash extension. To extend eyelashes properly, we will need a pad for lashes, eyelash extensions, instruments, fixer, brush, and mirror for extension, anti-allergenic and antibacterial spray or gel. What instruments a beginning lash artist will need? Tweezers, of course. There are 2 types of tweezers, straight and curved one. A straight one must be held in inactive hand and needed for natural eyelash separation. In a working hand, you hold a curved tweezer. It should be used for picking extended lashes from pad. A curved tweezer will also help you to distinguish a natural lash. Straight tweezers can be straight or a bit curved and can have different length and thickness. Curved tweezers may have a huge variety of forms. Which one to use if you're a beginner? You can choose any. However, I recommend to stop your choice on universal curved tweezer, suitable for any type of extension. Your work table and your main helper is pad for eyelashes. You can place all lengths, curls and thicknesses in a needed arrangement, and then easily and quickly grab needed eyelashes. Eyelashes must be replaced on a pad in advance. For beginners, I recommend to buy most usable lash trays. For classic extensions, black lashes, 0.10 C from 5 to 9 mm mix. Then 0.10 C from 6 to 13 mm mix, and 0.85 C from 6 to 13 mm mix. I recommend to use these parameters because they comply with all principles of safety. When you will be aware of what lengths you use the most, you can buy single length trays. They are more cost effective. Speaking of glue for extensions, there are a few types of them on the market. They have different speed of bonding, slow, average and fast. It reflects on vapor intensity and retention period. A beginner should train on a glue with a slow speed of bonding, so you could not bond until the moment you put an extended lash on a natural. To make the work with the glue easier, you should use a special palette for glue. We must fixate it on a pad with a sticky layer. Sometimes clients are being allergic to glue, and you should know about it before the procedure. But if you're faced with it during the procedure, then you should use an anti-allergenic product, can be either spray or gel. It absorbs all vapors of glue and decreases all possible discomfort of client and artist. You should apply a few drops of such product on a cotton pad and put it next to the glue drops. One more essential instrument for working is a brush for lashes. You can control the procedure by using it. You can brush eyelashes during and by the end of procedure, and moreover, you can present it to client for home care. There is also a huge variety of brushes colors. And at the end of procedure, we must apply a fixer on top of lashes. It is necessary for creating protective coat for glue. All polymerization processes of glue must be finished. Use a mirror to control the quality of your work. You can fix all possible mistakes right away, and the result of procedure will be much more impressive. When there is a necessity to remove extended eyelashes, use a remover. A beginner always has a question: which remover to choose, liquid, creamy or gel? Liquid is used for cleaning instruments of glue. Gel one is used for removing single lashes, and creamy one is suitable for full removing of eyelashes. And of course, there must be an antibacterial remedy in every LASHMAKER starter kit. It is used for hands and instruments. This remedy saves from viruses and germs and fungus. This is the main starter kit for beginners. You should also add cotton pads and micellar water to let your client remove makeup before the procedure of eyelash extension. And a small bonus for those who are going to become a lash artist. If you decided to take base courses on Proglan's Training Academy, you will be presented a 20% discount for starter kit. You can find all products under this video. I hope this material was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye!